Hey hustlers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you are new, you are at the right place. If you are wanting to learn about your personal finances, level the up when it comes to your personal finances, how to earn extra income and how to live a holistic life, you're at the right place. Click the subscribe button, join my family of hustlers, and yeah, let's do this. So as you guys can tell from the title, I am talking about all things affiliate marketing, one of my absolute favorite ways of earning an income. I did share about it in this video up here. I'll leave it down below as well in the description box. And what led me to speaking to you guys today about affiliate marketing was I shared on my Instagram, where I share quite a lot. Make sure you do follow me. About my affiliate marketing income and some of the places that I do affiliate marketing for, and I did get quite a few requests from you guys asking to explain more how to get involved specifically in a South African setting. And I thought, you know what, let's kick off the year with speaking about some side hustles that I'm getting or that I'm doing where you can also get involved in. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Before we go any further, let me just describe or explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing essentially is where you earn a commission as an affiliate marketer for marketing a product or service, or a company's product or service. In layman's terms, that's all wow, English. That is what affiliate marketing is. So you as affiliate marketer get paid a commission, depending on the affiliate marketing campaign, for recommending this product or service to a consumer. And for the affiliate marketing chain to exist, there needs to be a producer, the person or the company, the affiliate marketer, yourself in the middle, and of course the consumer. So you are basically the middleman connecting the product or the service to the consumer through the use of you as affiliate marketer. And I'll explain further what it means and what it entails to be affiliate marketer. How can you be successful? How can you get started, and some affiliate marketing places that I use and some other ones that you can use to get started. So that is essentially the affiliate marketing sort of process. Then the next thing I want to chat about is, what are your responsibilities as an affiliate marketer? How do you get involved? For example, myself, I'll use myself in this example. I am part of Affiliate South Africa, which is an affiliate marketing agency or company that actually does link, or is a platform for affiliate marketers that links product service providers or product providers with affiliate marketers. And it's almost like a website or an agency where we all meet on that same platform and we do similar campaigns to market different products and different things that are within our niches, right? So for you to get started with affiliate marketing or Affiliate South Africa, all you need to do is to register with them. Link is down below that you can use to register. So register with them, and it's very important that you already, I can't stress this enough, that you already have an audience to market to or to recommend to, whether this is a blog, an Instagram account, a Facebook account, in whatever niche. I think this is very important so you can get better leverage or better chances of reaching people to market to, because it doesn't make sense to be an affiliate marketer with no one to market to, right? So it's important to have some type of platform. And what Affiliate South Africa does is that you go on this platform and different service providers, as I've mentioned, or product providers, approach the company to say, hey, these are the type of products or services we want to be marketed. Get affiliate marketers on this that are within the certain niche. We're going to pay this amount of money for the campaign based on the campaign rules and the earnings type of profile. And then you as an affiliate marketer get notified by your affiliate manager. I have an affiliate manager, and normally she'd either send me an email or I'll get an email update to say there are new campaigns that have been listed on the website. I go log in and I see, do those apply to my niche? And my niche is personal finance education, so I would genuinely recommend or advertise products around that sector. It could be insurance, it could be you know, credit consulting, literally anything in the personal, even lifestyle. Doesn't only have to be personal finance related, but those are the ones that I get the best results from, because they are within my niche and because my audience trusts my judgment and my recommendation on whatever I share with them. And then she'd say, hey, there's a campaign, are you interested? And if I am interested, I have to apply for the campaign. And by applying for the campaign, you just kind of send through a request and they check your profile. So what do they do when they check your profile? They just check, is your account, do you have a platform to advertise on? That's why I mentioned a blog, Instagram account, a YouTube channel, anywhere where you can market. And have your other campaigns be successful, or have they had any traction, right? Because it doesn't make sense to just get given a link to market, but no one actually goes on the link, no one uses the link. It's basically like a like a zero return on investment for the advertiser, right? So then you get approved, and once you're approved, you are given a specific link that is only applicable to you to track your performance. So if I, for example, get a link for a campaign for car comparison quotes, for example, and that link I will share, and if someone uses that link is tied to me, so it's easy to track and it's easy for the agency to know who referred them, and how to, obviously it's also for your earning potential as well at the end of the day. So then you'll get that link, and you'll get other resources as well to help you market, and all those resources will have your specific link embedded in them. So it could be email banners if you have an email list, it could be a link. As I said, I generally use links because I share my platforms or my affiliate marketing links on Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so forth. So a link is always easier, but some marketing material, if you do need, it is really available for you. And the affiliate, what I like about Affiliate South Africa is that the affiliate manager also kind of helps you you know, recommend campaigns that are in line with you and what you do and what you like. You don't have to take all the ones that they recommend, you only can take the ones, or you should take the ones that are relevant to you, right? And then you just market it. And I'll share with you guys a bit later in this video about how to make it more effective and how to actually generate a proper income from affiliate marketing with using the links. So that's genuinely the type of idea. If you are using an agency. However, I do also do affiliate marketing for other products and services that I do recommend. I don't go through Affiliate South Africa. I just like to diversify my options there, because in Affiliate South Africa, some of the campaigns I don't really you know, align with my brand at that specific point in time. So there are other products that I can recommend, for example, like Fedgroup. I have a Fedgroup link. If you register with the Fedgroup link and you invest with the impact farming, I earn a commission. And that money is 100 Rand per person who successfully invests, and that money I use towards investing in impact farming as well. So it's a great way for me to invest for free, because basically I have people who use my link. I have about 3 to 5 people a week who use my link and actually do invest. So that's quite a lot of money if you think about it. If it's 3 to 5 people a week on average, that's about 500 Rand a week. In a month, you know, that's 2,000 Rand. So that's good, and that's good income to earn, especially because I'm wanting to grow my investment portfolio. So this is a great way for me to invest without using my own money. I'm just leveraging my audience's trust. And you know, I'm recommending a product that I use already anyway, and it's just easy and organic advertising. Some other ones that I do is Fiverr, which is a new one that I just got involved in to do freelance work, and they have an affiliate program, and yeah, so I'm gonna start, you know, recommending that as well. Another one is not necessarily a link, but just a discount code. So I am one of the ambassadors for Pocket Fin. It's a personal finance educational platform where they share about many different types of personal finance topics and just all around personal finance holistic educational information. and I've got a discount code. So if you use the discount code, you get 15% off. I'll leave the discount code on the screen and the link if you're interested in checking out that platform. So every single time someone uses my discount code and they get money off, I get that I get a commission. So it's not necessarily a link per se, but it's an actual code that they can link to me, and that's how I can earn money on a continuous basis, if that makes sense. So affiliate marketing is a really great way to earn passive income, because you're not physically doing the work all the time. You know, I just generally share on my platforms, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also I use WhatsApp statuses, and I just share about whatever the product that I am using at that specific moment that I enjoy and that I like, and I share with my audience. And if my audience uses either the link, the discount code, I earn income from that. So how do you earn income? So there are different ways that you can earn from the links, and also as I kind of touched on the codes. So the first one is a click per sale. So for example, the campaign is a campaign that has to result in a sale at the end of the day. So the website is probably a service provider website or even a product website, and if that person uses your link, they go into the website. Let's say for example, I am marketing livestock, for example, as an investment, and I'm saying buy 20 chickens as an investment on this investment farm, and you can, you know, get a return on your investment and all of that stuff. And if you use my link, you click on the link and you actually make a sale, meaning you buy the chickens using my link, that's how I will make money. And depending on that specific agreement with that service provider, I will either make a percentage of the profit or a percentage of the total sale amount. So that's a click per sale. Another one is a click per lead, and what that is basically by you sharing your specific you know, that specific product or service, you're sharing it with your audience. They click on that specific your specific link and they use it. That's you leading that customer to the website. But once they are there, something needs to happen, right? Because you know, you've led them to that website, but something needs to happen, and it could be one of two things. Could be click per lead or click per action. And what a click per lead or click per action is the lead part is where you lead them to the website and something happens once you've led them there. And a click per action is you lead them to the website, and for example, for me, a comparative quote type of campaign, you log into the website, you like what you see, and you fill out your details for the consultant to call you back. That's a click per action, where you clicked and there was an action that you received from that. Another one could be a click per lead, where you know, you lead to the website, you fill out a subscription form, or you fill out some of your details, and that's how you make money. So there are different ways and there are different ones. And then the third one, or another one, is the discount code, where it's not specifically a link but a specific code that is tied to you, and that's how you can earn. So those are the different ways that you can earn by using an affiliate link or affiliate marketing. Why do I specifically enjoy and like affiliate marketing is, as I've mentioned, passive income. I, you know, have my links living in my YouTube videos all the time. I even have a disclaimer down below about the links. So if you click on any of the links and you see the link on any of my videos, you know, that's me earning an income. I don't need to tell you about the links all the time. I just need to give you a call per action to say, check out my description box. There's a link down below. You go down below and there's an action that comes from it, and I earn an income. I can do so in my sleep. I actually earn money in my sleep, not to make it sound like, you know, but it is a real reality, right? The second thing is I love affiliate marketing because it's, for me, it makes sense, it's natural, and it's one of the best ways of influencer marketing, because in a way you are influencing people to make an action about something you're recommending to them, whether you are an influencer or not. The influencer marketing strategy or thought does work in affiliate marketing. And for me, I always share products and services that I've used, that I like, that I enjoy, and that's why I've got such a diversified affiliate marketing strategy. I don't just use Affiliate South Africa, because sometimes some of the service providers that are on there are not service providers I'm familiar with or that I want to associate myself with, especially like creditors. I don't really want to advertise creditors because I'm all for getting out of debt, so it won't make sense for me to advertise people to get into debt when I'm trying to get out of debt, if that makes sense. It would just do an injustice to my brand and to my 4-pillar method that I teach and educate about. So I'm also selective in what I share, and I'll make sure that I share things that I'm passionate about, and that's why it makes it easy for me to create those leads and to be able to create that specific income for myself, right? Another thing that I like about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to pitch to a brand a lot. A lot of the times they are actually compensating you and giving you a commission for just wanting to share their brand. You don't need to submit anything to a brand or anything. And also, there's unlimited earning potential. If 1,000 people use your link and all 1,000 people, you're earning 15 rand or 20 rand per lead, that's exponential or unlimited income. You can earn forever and ever as long as your discount or code is active, or as long as that link is active in your name. You can earn forever and ever and ever. So I like the longevity of it, and I love that it's such an effortless and easy way of earning. Not necessarily easy because you need to have an audience, as I've mentioned. So yeah, that's why I particularly love affiliate marketing, and it's a really great way to get started if you are new and you're wanting to build a passive income for yourself. I will leave all the links of the places that I've mentioned down below that I use specifically to earn an income. Also, if there is a company that you're interested in marketing, go on Google and check if they do have an affiliate program. A lot of the times most companies do have an affiliate program, and all you need to do is just fill out your details, your information. They might ask you some details about like where are you going to be advertising, maybe sharing some links to your blog, to your Instagram, to your YouTube, to your Facebook, or whatever it is, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and then you start earning every single time. One thing I can mention is if you're interested in affiliate marketing, consistency is very important. So being consistent, sharing about that product as regularly as possible, but organic and authentic. For me, I share about my income, I share about what I'm making on my stories on Instagram. I share with you guys the service providers that I use all the time on my videos, and I then link you guys to them, which is basically calling you to action, calling you to make a reaction to what I'm sharing, if that makes sense. So yeah, I love affiliate marketing. Let me guys know if there's any other questions that you have that I haven't covered in this video. I'll be more than happy to either maybe do a follow-up video or a Q&A where I answer some of the specific questions that you guys have. But yeah guys, I'll leave everything down below linked for the service providers and places that I do affiliate marketing for. And as always guys, keep hustling. Let us make that money in our sleep this year. Let things change, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.